3. I can graph data on Box and Whisker graphs. So today we're going to organize another way of organizing data, and it's called Box and Whiskers. But we need to use a couple of information that we've covered in the past, which is the median, and hopefully with that, that'll guide us through the rest, okay? So we do need steps. Write these steps down, please. Some of the vocabulary that we're going to need. Copy this, please. It's only 6 steps. Step 1, organize data from least to greatest. Step 2, identify the median. Step 3, identify the upper and lower quartile. Step 4, identify the minimum and maximum. Step 5, make a box and whisker plot. And step 6, analyze and compare data. Copy that, please. I'll give you 40 seconds. So, 5 easy steps. We're going to organize data from least to greatest. Did we do that already on the warm-up?
Yes.
Did we find the median on the warm-up?
Yes.
Yes. So we already know how to do these two. What we need to focus on is the rest, which is finding the upper and lower quartile. I'll show you how that is. The minimum maximum, I'll show you what that is. Then we're going to make a box and whisker plot, and then afterwards we're going to analyze data. Okay? So here we go. So, first things first. Okay? For example, don't copy this. It's just to introduce the lesson. It says, the table below summarizes a cat breeder's record for kitten litters born in a given year. You can divide the data into 4 equal parts using quartiles. Now check this out. For those of you that don't know, litter is what they call when cats give make babies, or if you want to call them baby cats, all the cats together, they're called a litter. Does that make sense?
Yes.
So look at this. So throughout the year, when here's 1, and the size of that litter was how many? 2 cats in that litter. 6 times they gave how many? 3. 8 times they gave how many?
4.
11 times they gave how many? 5. And 1 time they gave 6. Everybody understanding what that is? Litter size means the number of cats that came out at birth. Okay? So, if we organize this information, watch. We're going to have 1 with 2, right? How many 3s? 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So therefore it would look something like this. Everybody see that? So, I organize it from least to greatest. Are we there? Well, check this out. Since this is evenly divided, let's see, there's 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 13. There should be 13 here also. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 13. It's evenly divided, right? It's kind of like what we did on the warm-up. So what is this 4 in the middle called? Median. That is correct. So this is the median, which is 4. Now check this out, before I give you the rest of the information. When we look at the lower half, what would be half of this data? Let's see. There's 13, therefore it's 6. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So what is the median? 3. So check this out. We know that this is the median, right? But if we look at just this data, this 3 is also the median. Are we there? If we look at this data on top, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Therefore, the 5 is the median. Are we there? But instead of calling these medians, these are called lower quartile, upper quartile.
So why are there no middle numbers? Like there's no...
Good question. If there are not even, if let's say we don't have an even number like this, we take the 2 in the middle, add them, and divide them by 2. Kind of like taking the average. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
We'll get to one of those. But does everybody understand how it lays out? So check this out. So this is known as the lower quartile, this is known as the upper quartile, and this is the median. Are we there?
Yeah.
So before we do any of the box and whiskers, first let's practice organizing, finding the median, lower quartile, and upper quartile. So copy this example down, please. Oh, first of all, also copy these 2 terms, minimum The minimum is the smallest value of set of data. The minimum is the smallest value of a set of data. The maximum is the largest value of a set of data. Fairly simple?
Yeah.
So, if I was to go back to the previous information, what is our minimum? No. What is the smallest value? 2. 2 is the smallest value. What is the largest value? 6. So this is the minimum and this is the maximum. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
All right. So therefore, according to the definition, the minimum is the smallest value of the set of data. The maximum is the largest value of the set of data. Okay? Questions, comments? All right. Example 1A. Copy this, please. It says, find the lower and upper quartiles for the data set. And they give us 15, 83, 75, 12, 19, 74, and 21. Thank you. Okay. Find the lower and upper quartiles of the set of data of the data set. They give us 15, 83, 75, 12, 19, 74, and 21. So check this out. Whenever we get to these, I want you first to draw a number line. Except for right now, we're not going to focus that it's a positive and negative number line. We're just going to start with all positive numbers. To the left is the lowest, to the right is the largest, right? So let's start with this one, 15. Shall we space this out by 5s or 10s? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. All right, so let's start with this one. Where could we plot 15? Yeah. Between 10 and 20, so this would be about right there. Okay, so we're done with 15. Let's write 15. Well, 83, where does that go? Between 80 and 90, right? So you plot 83 right here, write it, 83. The next one, 75. 75 is between 70 and 80, so it's right here, 75. Next one is 12, is in between the 15 and the 10, right? Right there. 19 is closer to 20, yes? So 19 is about right there. 74 is right before 75, so about right there. I'm going to write it right here, so I know that's 70. Oh, 74. And the last one, 21, is a little bit after 20, right there. All right. So now that we have our plots, first of all, let's write our information from highest to lowest. So we got 12, 15, 19, 21, 74, 75, and 83. Are we there so far?
Yeah.
All right, so first of all, let's identify our median. So let's see, how many numbers do we have? How many set of data? We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So that means we need to have 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So this one is our what? Median. Label that, please. No, I know. I want us to label this, and then we're going to identify lower and upper quartile.
Okay.
So now, let's look at the lower half. What is our median of the lower half?
15.
15, so this is our lower quartile. Let's just title it lower Q. And this one, for the upper one, what is our median here? 75, so this is our upper Q. Now, in order to distinguish one from the other, I'm going to label this one Q1, this one is Q2. Any questions on what we're doing? Okay.
No.
Do this next one by yourself, please. Example 1B. Copy this one. You don't have to copy the verbiage anymore. Just copy the data set. They give us 75, 61, 88, 79, 79, 99, 63, and 77. Go. All right, let's see what we got. Here goes the order. Look up, please. We got 61, 61, 63, 75, 77, 79, 79, 88, 99.
Yeah.
Yes?
Yeah.
So, the median. Let's see, how many data do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Uh-oh.
Yeah.
So hopefully you got... Hold on. We got the upper and lower quartile, but what did I want first? The median?
Yeah.
So the median, you needed to add 79 plus 77. This is 156.
Wait.
156, and then divide by 2. So the median is 78. Hands if you got that? That is correct.
You need to for the other one? The other one?
Same thing.
Yeah.
So here we go. So 78 was the median. So what was the median of the lower part? Let's see, we got 4 sets of data, 2 and 2, so therefore we need to use these 2, right? 63 plus 75, that gives me 138, divided by 2, that gives me 69. So the lower quartile is 69. The upper quartile is 79 plus 88. 79 plus 88, that's 167. So therefore, 167 divided by 2, that's 83.5. Yeah. No, I know. We're just counting these right here. Watch. Those of you that are getting a little bit lost, look up, please. The median for these was 78, right?
Yeah.
That means we're not going to add another number in here. We were just saying that this is the median. So we end up with 4 numbers to the right and 4 numbers to the left of that, don't we? 79, 79, 88, and 99.
I got it wrong, but yesterday.
We're not substituting. Like I said, this is the median.
We're not putting in any data.
Yeah, we're not putting any more data. The only data is all those. Let's do it again. Copy this one, please. Example 1C. Let's see if you can do this one by yourself completely. Go. Bam. Go. Here goes the order. The order is 13, 19, 25, 38, 47, 66, and 91. Hands if you got that. Okay, so far so good. So, focus. Our median should have been 38. Hands if you got that. Okay, so we got our median. But we're looking for also the lower and upper quartile. So the lower quartile is 19, the upper quartile is 66. We got it? Yes.
We don't have to enter the maximum or minimum?
Not right now. Now, if I was to ask you to find the minimum for this one, what is our minimum?
13.
13, and our maximum? 91. Yeah.
Don't you just remember that you were 25 and 47? Because you know how 13 is something? It would be, yeah.
Nothing. These are nothing. Yeah. All right. So with that said, now that we got this down, now I'm gonna give you another set of data so that we can build a box and whisker. Here it goes. Copy this one, please. Not this one. Sorry. Hold on. Copy this one. Example 2A. I want you to write example 2A, and don't worry about the information. Worry about the data first. Basically, we're going to build a box and whisker. Okay? Let me move this out of the way. All right. It says, use the given data to make a box and whisker plot. So they give us 21, 25, 15, 13, 17, 19, 19, and 21. Once you have this data like this, also make a number line with these numbers, please.
Is it going to be a number line or a box?
Okay, so here we go. First things first, let's organize this from lowest to greatest. So the lowest is what?
13.
13. So we got this one.
Yeah.
Next one is
15.
15.
Oh my god.
Next one is
17.
17. 19.
The other 19.
19.
21.
21.
21.
21.
25.
And 25. Okay. So first thing we got to identify is our median. Our median is, let's see, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So therefore, the median is these two. So what is 19 plus 19? Divided by 2. So the median is 19. So we need this information. Okay, we got that. Let's look at the lower quartile. The lower quartile, we're going to focus on these four right here. Everybody see them?
Yeah.
So to find our median of those four, we need to do what? Add what?
15 and 17.
15 and 17. 15 plus 17, that's 30. 32 divided by 2, that's 16. 16 is our lower quartile, or LQ1. Are we there so far?
Yeah.
All right. Let's go to the upper quartile. We're going to focus on this data right here, these four numbers, 19, 21, 21, and 25, right?
Yeah.
So the upper quartile is 21 plus 21, which is
42.
divided by 2 is 21. So this is our upper quartile. Hold on, we're not done.
Not done, guys.
So let's build our box and whiskers. Here we go. First, I need to plot my lower quartile. Where would that go? 16, which is right there. You plot a point. What is our median?
19.
Which is about right here. Where's our 20 and 22? So it's about right here.
Yeah.
What is our minimum? 13. What is our maximum? 25. So now check this out. Our first line is going to be at the median. Our other line is at the upper quartile. Our other line is at the lower quartile. Check this out. And now we make a box out of these three.
Dominoes.
Does everybody see that?
Yeah.
And once we have that, now we just make a whisker to the maximum and a whisker to the minimum. Everybody see that? Our home plate for tonight is on page 327. Hold on. 327. Enjoy your home play. See you guys tomorrow.